Hi, it's me, Mikey. Welcome back to Mikey Macho Garage, and today we're back in the garage and we're going to be fixing this TPMS sensor, which is not reporting to the computer on my mom's 2013 Toyota Sienna. So if you want to see it, then stay tuned. And for a disclaimer, I am just a Mikey Macho Garage mechanic, and you should do this at your own risk because I'm not a professional, but remember, be safe. So the first step is you need to break the tension between these 5 bolts on the tire. And for this, we're going to be using a breaker bar, a 1/2-inch breaker bar with a 21mm socket. And step 2 is to lift the car, and as you see here, I've gotten this jack under this lift point. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like on the lift point where this little arrow is pointing at. So now we're going to use a 1/2-inch impact wrench to take off the rest of these bolts. And I like to put them on this metal thing because it's magnetic and it keeps them all together. That's the second one. Just get this one out. And that's all 5 bolts off the tire. Okay, now we're gonna take off the valve stem with this valve stem tool to get the air out of the tire. And now you can hear that the air is coming out of the tire. And now we broke the bead with this bead breaking tool. And that blue thing, there is the sensor that we need to take out. The one on the left is the old TPMS sensor, which is not responding, and the one on the right is the new TPMS sensor, which will be spawned when we install it. But before we install it, we need to use this TPMS sensor coding device so we can code this so the car's computer can read it. We had just connected the TPMS to the onboard diagnostic part of the car. So now we're going to see what TPMS sensors the car knows about. Those are the sensors that the car knows about. Unfortunately, the sensor that we got does not have the ID, so we're gonna have to find out which one of these sensors it is. We're gonna scan the other sensors on the car to see which one is missing. Now we just scan the tire for sensor information, and we're gonna do it for all 3 tires. Now we're gonna program the new sensor with the old sensor's ID so the computer in the car can read it. And you see it's programming. It'll take a bit. And those are the stats of the sensor. So now we've gotten the TPMS sensor in, we're gonna torque it to 35 inch-pounds. We're gonna use this 1/4 inch torque wrench. Now we've gotta fill up the tire with air. And it's very loud. Now we're putting the tire back on. We're gonna wait until the TPMS stops blinking, and then we're gonna reset it. And now with the car on, there's no TPMS light. Now it's the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.